Hello wonderful people, you welcome back to this channel. If you are in the sachet water business or thinking about starting one, then you are in the right place. Today we are talking about how to boost your sachet water sales, attract more customers and grow your business, whether you are selling locally or looking to expand. These marketing strategies will help you stand out in the competitive water industry. So grab a drink and let's just dive in. Sachet water industry is growing fast. More and more people are looking for a convenient and affordable drinking water on the go, which creates a huge potential for business in this space. But with competition heating up, how can you ensure that your brand stands out? Well, it's all about smart marketing and excellent customer service. So before I dive into marketing strategies, your product quality matters most. You need to make sure that your water is of the highest quality. Don't always forget that customers are not only looking for affordability, but also clean and safe drinking water. This is a non-negotiable aspect of your business. Customers will not accept the reasons why your water does not taste good. Now let's talk about marketing strategies, but before I do that, I have some few products here that I want to share with you that I think they might be of help to you. Don't go anywhere. After this, we are diving straight into the marketing strategies that will help your sachet water business grow till thy kingdom come. So the product I want to share with you is Reload Multivitamin Food Supplement. Reload Multivitamin Plus Multimineral Food Supplement is grown from the USA and first in Ghana market. The product is FDA approved and it's trusted. It is also just like Well Woman, Well Man, and Pro Man's product. Each tablet contains 48 boxes in a carton. Reload Tonic has 32 bottles in a carton. Kids Multivitamin Drop contains 36 drops in a carton. And it has a long lasting expiry date, so you don't need to worry. Now the Reload Tonic has all the minerals and vitamins that the body needs to flourish and stay healthy at all times. Reload Women's Formula is a premium multivitamin blend with 24 wholesome fruit and vegetables, which is blended to provide you with a unique multi-mineral needs for health, for breath health, strong bones, luscious hair, and smooth skin. Reload Men's 50 Plus is rich in multivitamin. Reload Men's 50 Plus support heart and prostate health and keep you on your feet at all times as an old person. Reload Women's 50 Plus, designed specifically for women over 50. It keeps women going strong and healthy at all times in their daily activities. Reload Infant Drops for your baby. It is also fortified with DHA for proper brain development for your baby. So think about your baby's brain's development. Reload Kids keeps your kids safe from health issues, healthy with strong bones, and keep them active. Gives them healthy lives at all times. This product is very affordable and is good for your health. For both single and bulk purchase, call the number on the screen. Okay, so number one area that I want to talk about is the word of mouth. The word of mouth is incredibly powerful in this space. Start by engaging with your community, partner with local shops, kiosks, and stores to get your product into places people already visit. The more visible your product is, the more likely people try your water. Number two, give away free samples. So try to give away free sachet water or a product at local events or high traffic areas like wedding, naming ceremony, what have you. Once people taste your water and feel confident in its quality, they are more likely to buy. It is advisable to build a trust before thinking of sale. Another marketing strategy is social media and marketing, digital marketing. So you can think of using platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook, TikTok, and what have you. Showcase your product and engage directly with customers. By building community online can greatly impact your product visibility and credibility. Another strategy you can think of is offering discounts and promotions. Everyone loves a good feel, so offering discount or bundle promotion can encourage customers to buy in bulk. For example, introducing a buy 10 get one free promotion or discount prices on large orders can increase sales whilst attracting more repeat customers. You can also think of using punch cards or digital rewards to encourage customer loyalty. When customers see they are getting more value, they are more likely to stick with your brand and even recommend you to other people and people around them. Now, this is one area that is very crucial and needs to be taken into a serious account. Now, excellent customer service is one strategy, one peak of a sale that a lot of business owners lack. Always be responsive to customers' query and complaints, whether you're selling in a store or offering delivery. Make sure customers have seamless experience, be it quick delivery on time, simply being friendly and approachable. Excellent customer service will turn first-time buyers into loyal customers. And in this video, growing your Sachet water business comes down to a few key factors: quality, visibility, and trust. By creating strong local connection, using digital marketing, offering promotions, delivering excellent services will go a long way, help you expand your customer base and keep them coming back for more. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more, and leave a comment with your own tips on how you grow your Sachet water sales. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.